This is the second one now. I just made a mistake with the other video. But anyway, this is my trailing lead here. This is my end with my clip, coil of wire. The one you would probably buy is this one here. Got the clamp to put in the ground. You got this to run out, where you can wind it up. All right, this one's out 20 metres. This you plug into your meter. You'd plug that into the meter there. You'd run around. Okay. So the SWP trailing lead, what's it all about? The idea, like we did on the testing of insulation, when you're doing testing of insulation, you would normally hook it up to the earth bar up here. You would run around all the earth stake, and you would run around, test the power points to make sure everything that you're testing is earth to ground. All right? And then you'd also go around and test all your continuity mains and all that. We explained that in the last one. So the trailing lead here is to actually make sure that we got, for this SWP, is that the earth stake from here goes back to the earth bar here and then comes across to the null and supply. The null and supply has an earth point, but I can't take the switchboard cover off in the SWP, so I need to establish some way of doing that. With the trailing lead, what it's going to do, it's replacing the neutral, right? Neutral part, which means this, instead of being a metre long, now it's going to be 24 metres long or 12 metres long, whatever length I zero out on that. Normally I'd get my meter when we start it up, we do battery check, we go to 3 ohms, we do a bridge test, make sure it's 0. Now it's not quite reading 0 at the moment. I would adjust that and that would go to 0. Now I'm going to take that out, right, and I'm going to replace it with this one, which is, I don't know, 15 metres, whatever. Has a lead in it. I put that in, right? I take this to my end of my clamp over here and look down on that. And now, see how that's got a value? I'm going to zero that value out. So whatever readings I take now from my earth stake here, and that's a problem trying to get clamps on. You're going to have to put it on here, tell them to change the clamps, get some decent ones. So now I'm going to take my meter, I've zeroed it out, so even if I do this, it's reading 0. I'm now going to go to here, and it says 0. So it's telling me from here to there to here that that's 0, that's continuous, okay? The minimum reading, so from here to here, is normally 0.5 for the main earth. Do we all agree? From here to here is under fault loop impedance because we have active in earth. You understand what I'm getting at? The earth value from there to there could be 2 metres long or 30 metres long. So all I need to do is establish that from here to here, that's 0. I go to here, that's nearly 0. In other words, it passes, it's continuous. All right? That's the trailing lead part, okay? Once you've done that and set it up, you can put your meter back in, and you now have proved that the earth is at an earth potential, all right? You can then go in and then start doing your testing of your circuit. So you've got your lock dog, you'll have your gloves on, you've got to do your stuff. So this is not about where we do it, I'm just establishing what the trailing lead's for. I'm going to do another video on disconnecting and reconnecting shortly, but the thing is, I think we need to explain why we are using the trailing lead and what its main use is. I see a lot of people learning how to do this, monkey see, monkey do with videos, but you really need to understand that the trailing lead is not just for the earth. It can be used for switching of the actives. It can be established for the mains. So my mains from the pit to the point of attachment back to the meter board is a continuous. All right. It gives me that long set of hands I go inside with. All right. All right. I'll leave it at that.